Hey buddies, it's Mai here. Today, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of cleaning my Budgie's cage. Keeping our feathered friends in a clean and healthy environment is crucial, so join me as I share some tips and tricks for maintaining a sparkling clean space for our beloved Budgies. Let's dive into the world of avian care together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We are about to close the doors, and if you fancy, you can even draw the curtains in the front of the window. In this way, our budgies won't accidentally venture into the uncharted territory. Alright, let the cleaning crust begin. Get your feather dusters and broomsticks ready, because we are about to turn this budgie habitat into sparkling palace. First up, I am crafting a special tub for my budgies. I have kept the water comfortably warm, just about 2 inches deep for a mild spa experience, soaking coriander and mint in water because they absolutely love it. My hunch is they might even take a refreshing dip in it, so that I'll clean the cage calmly. My budgies are a little scared of taking their first bath. Even though their favorite herbs like coriander and mint are in the tub, they are not really liking it. While watching my budgies not enjoying the bath, I decided to put my scarf on them. But they cleverly escaped from it. Then I placed a basket over them, thinking they wouldn't figure it out. Surprisingly, they proved to be faster than I thought, climbing onto the basket instead of taking a bath. Finally, giving up on convincing them to the bath, I resumed to cleaning their cage. These little birds are quite the clever ones. Now, I am removing all their food and drink items from the cage and getting rid of these dirty papers so that cleaning their cage becomes easier for me. It's a straightforward process similar to what I am currently doing. To clean your budgie's cage, follow the same steps as I am doing now. I am cleaning the cage with a mug of warm water and a bit of soap, vinegar or baking soda to help cleaning the cage thoroughly. I am being careful to avoid water reaching their egg-laying pod. I am draining the water properly and making sure that it doesn't go into their nesting area. If you are enjoying this video, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Also consider subscribing to my channel because your support means a lot to my budgies. It's a way of showing love to them from your side. I am cleaning my budgie's cage by wiping it with a damp cloth. After sweeping the area where I'll place the cage, I will put fresh papers in it. Additionally, I will take my little budgies out of their basket, clean them with a dry cloth, and once they are dry, I'll put them back into their cage. After placing all their favorite food and drink items, I am also preparing a small tub in their cage for their bath, hoping they might decide to take a bath within their own cage. Now I am using a gentle hair dryer to ensure that my budgies' feathers dry quickly. They seem to be thoroughly enjoying the experience, chirping happily. The warm airflow is making their feathers fluff up, creating a cozy content atmosphere in their cage. In this video, I shared how I clean my bird cage. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to subscribe for more. A thumbs up would be much appreciated for these lovely birds. Until the next time, goodbye and stay tuned for exciting new videos.